What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we need to start tearing out the interior of Prospector Bob. So let's get going. Alright, so we got the rear seat out. You can see he already had this sound deadened. I think, well, not all of it, but we'll be fixing that. So, lots of dog hair in here. Needs to be vacuumed. So what I'm going to do, this is bolted with one bolt on each side. I'm going to undo those. We'll take the front seat out. Pull the carpet out, which I'm going to be replacing. I've already ordered some. And then we'll assess where we're going to go from here. So let's get these seats out. Okay, you guys have to lift that side of the seat and we're gonna lift it up and then we're gonna bring it toward me, okay?
Oh, Jesus.
1, 2, 3.
Ah! Oh!
Good. Keep going.
Oh, no.
Okay, get down with Calvin, crew.
Ah, my toe! You were stepping on my toe.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Almost there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's, I think I can get it now. Thanks, guys. All right, so I enlisted the help of my son and his friend, and that worked out pretty good. I was surprised how well they helped me move that, but you can see this is a mess. So I'm not even gonna try to use this carpet. I'm gonna throw this away. It's not worth it. It's all stained. There we go. So that shows just a couple minutes. You can make a ton of progress. I like this. This is a piece of mass backing, so I'm going to keep this. It's in good shape. I'm going to take it out for now so we can inspect the floor. He had the seat mounts here. We're going to try and put them back in these stock holes, and I'll show you why when we get to that point. There's just more support down there for the floor. But not bad. Let's let's do this. Let's get this out, and then let's clean, kind of vacuum and wipe everything down and see what we're working with and where we need to go from there. Alright guys, we are losing light pretty quick, but I'm really happy with what I see. Floors are in really good shape. Not a bad start, so vacuumed it all out. I need new front door sills, which I may have a set in the garage. So we got to replace those. I'm going to take these off and clean them up. I really like them, but I'm going to clean them up. And we got to finish putting sound deadener down. I'm going to clean up the back wall where the adhesive was on the back wall. There's a lot of dog hair and stuff. So, but let's get a view from back here. So looks pretty good, and like I said, I'm going with a red interior, so I'm going to paint the dash. I'm not going to pull it. I'm just going to mask it off like that and paint it like that. So we're losing light for today. Lots of progress though in a little bit of time. Next thing we're going to be working on is cleaning the floor a little bit more and starting to paint some of the trim and the dash and stuff while we've got the carpet out, and we've got, you know, we don't have to be quite as careful. I'm still going to tape everything off, but we don't have to be quite as careful. So anyways, I hope you guys are looking forward to seeing the progress on Prospector Bob. I'm still looking for those 94 to 97 red seats for the front. My plan now is just to mount up the gray ones I have, because that's the style I want, and whenever I find the red ones I can just swap them right out. So if you have any, let me know. Thanks for the support guys. Like this video if you haven't yet, and we'll see you guys in the next video.